So here comes the One OS weekly update for the Redmi Note 8 users and some other devices. This is One OS MIUI 12.621.7.5 official version, which I just made a video yesterday, but that was based on stable version. That was a monthly update for Redmi Note 9 Pro and Poco X3. But now this is a weekly update which you get all Mondays every Monday. And now today is Monday. We have installed this called One OS MIUI 12.6. It has all the MIUI weekly features available for you. For example, if we talk about the changelog, this is the changelog which we have: system framework and apps optimized, fluidity, etc, etc. And we have some notification share related things. We have updated Android security patch to June 2021. I already have seen this changelog by the way on my next device, but yes, let's just talk about all these changes or all these changelog things which we have on our device. So first of all, we're going to talk about the first change, which they said is called June security patch. Unfortunately, the Redmi Note 8 device doesn't have the June security patch. They still gave you the May security patch. The good thing is that it's based on Android version 11. Of course, Redmi Note 8 is getting Android 11 updates, so that's why this is Android version 11. This is not Android version 10. Some other devices are also getting based on Android version 11, but maybe other devices have the June security patch, but Redmi Note 8 does not have it. They have the May security patch, and now July is going on. Something is different here. Now talking about other things, for example, they added two new filters which is actually based on Xiaomi U. Xiaomi U also has these two filters. Officially these two filters are added, which is called Vesper and Juventus. These are the two filters which they were talking about, but unlike all these two filters, we have other interesting filters are already available which you can customize on a device, which is not a major change by the way, but yes, they mentioned it. So yes, this is why I just want to let you know you can customize other filters here. For example, you simply need to click there, it will be downloaded automatically, but else things are actually same. We also have very cool interesting sky filters available in these MIUI kind of things. MIUI gallery has a lot of extra features, and yes, if you want MIUI gallery on other devices like AOSP based custom rooms and other devices, I have a video on that too, so make sure to check out that. It also has new stickers available for you. I'm not sure if these stickers are actually new or these were already present, but I just saw them, so I thought let me just share with you. These are some cool and interesting looking stickers. Unfortunately, these are not more than enough. These are just normal amount of stickers. I thought these would be more, but these are actually very less in numbers. But yes, these are actually what it is. These are the things which you get here. For example, the stickers I've already shown you, the gallery effects I've already shown you. Security patch is not updated to June 2021. It's only May 2021. Everything I've already shown you till now. Let's just talk about some other things here. For example, as you just saw in gallery, if we talk about the default UI or default layout, the super wallpapers are present here, especially in the Redmi Note 8 where super wallpapers are not so compatible, but these are already available and you can use it, and by default you will always see super wallpaper as a default wallpaper on your device. And unfortunately, I will not recommend you to use super wallpapers because it will make your device very laggy. If we talk about the themes, unfortunately in the previous updates you have the One OS theme pre-installed, One UI theme pre-installed, but now they've removed this and those old looking fonts are back. Even if we talk about the power menu, they've changed the power menu and they've chosen this MIUI 13 looking power menu where in the center they have the One OS logo. They have changed this, but it's just about their own opinions. Everything is same kind of things. The previous One OS power menu was looking quite good, but they have now changed it. If we talk about other UI changes, the volume panel was same. And the settings option, if you move on to the wallpaper and personalization section, if you move on to the wallpaper section, as I previously mentioned, the super wallpapers are present, and alongside with that some One OS default wallpaper system wallpapers are also present there. They have removed some other wallpapers like the MIUI 12.5 snowy peak wallpaper, which is one of my favorite one, which is not, I'm not talking about the super wallpaper by the way, I'm talking about the default wallpaper, the still wallpaper, which is unfortunately is not available there, which should be available, but unfortunately it's not there. Other apps are actually same, they've just updated those apps, but everything else is just kind of same. and other things are actually same as you just saw. Have updated those privacy protection features and etc, but doesn't include the new UI like the security, fingerprint, face recognition, etc. So they've changed a lot of things. If you want to install this, link is in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.